Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Campus Eye, the show that brings you news from colleges in and around Mangalore. I'm your host, Prithvi. He started learning karate at the age of 6 years and earned the black belt at the age of 14. Today, he can perform incredible stunts without any safety. Yes, I am talking about the 21-year-old Karthik Katil from Mangalore. You are watching a special feature from Campus Eye.
Karthik hails from Templetown of Katil of Mangalore district. Born to Professor Suresh Katil and Shobhalata, the 21-year-old boy has been practicing martial arts at home from the past 5 years. He learned karate at the age of 6 years under the guidance of Sri Ishwar Katil and was awarded with black belt at the age of 14 years. Inspired by martial art legends Tony Jaa, Bruce Lee, Jackie Chan, Scott Atkins and Jet Li, Karthik started learning Taekwondo, Muay Thai and Jiu-Jitsu martial art forms by his own effort, watching videos from YouTube and other internet sites. He can perform gravity-defying arts. There are not many of them who undergo regular training sessions in martial arts, and not all trained professionals can perform it effortlessly. But the young boy from Katil, who has not undergone any training in martial arts, can perform stunts better than the professional martial artist can perform. Karthik Katil was inspired by his father, Suresh Katil, a karate champ, to take up martial arts. Karthik says it was the turning point while he was studying in 10th grade, when he watched one of the famous movies of the well-known stuntmaster named Tony Jaa. He felt that the performance was extraordinary, and from that day, there was no looking back for him.
Martial arts legends like Tony Jaa, Jackie Chan, Bruce Lee, Jet Li and all, I started learning martial arts, that is 4 forms of martial arts, that is Muay Thai, Taekwondo, Jiu-Jitsu and Karate. So actually Muay Thai has been originated in Thailand, Taekwondo is from Korea, Jiu-Jitsu is from Brazil, it was originated in Japan and now Brazil is famous for it. And Karate, of course, it is from India. Actually Bodhidharman took it from India to China, but that martial arts is considered as a modified system of karate is considered as that has come from China.
Let's have a short break. Welcome back to Campus Eye.
Since he showed interest in martial arts, his parents helped him find videos of stunts performed by professionals. By watching these videos and karate in hand, Karthik mastered the art of Muay Thai and Jiu-Jitsu. Karthik performs powerful leg swings, swift jumps and kicks and exhibits strong energy while performing. He has trained himself in technique that confuses the opponent. The most common and very useful move of any martial art is kick. There are many types of kicks and each kick serves the purpose. Aerial kick, confuse kick, butterfly twist and slant kick are some of the kicks that he has trained himself in. It is not easy to train oneself in martial arts and is very important for one to know when the opponent will strike, how he thinks and how will he react to your kick. But Karthik seems to be an exception, though he found it little difficult to practice during his practice sessions, but that hindered him from pursuing his dream. He did not have any opponent, but he created one. He chose the nature around his home, his opponent. He started practicing under the branches, shrubs and trees. As days passed by, he became a better performer. Today, he can jump and kick up to 8 feet height, swing in air do somersaults and land with his feet from on the ground safely. Karthik adds lots to his achievement list. He is 16 times state level and 6 times national level gold medal winner in martial arts, and he is very excellent in academics too. He has won national level awards for presentations. Apart from this, he is good at volleyball, papercraft, drawing, debates and essay writing. Martial arts is his favorite, and he makes sure that he spends 2 hours every day in the morning and in the evening for the practice. He performs death-defying stunts with full confidence.
My aim is to become martial arts superstar through silver screen, because if I take classes or if I put some photos, I don't get more publicity. So my aim is to become martial arts superstar, and to become martial arts superstar is not so easy. You have to hard practice. You need 3 Ds, that is dedication, devotion and discipline. So I am up to 8, so hopefully I can make it.
With this amount of talent and effort, we are sure that he will continue to climb greater heights and become a successful martial arts superstar. That's all of this week's Campus Eye. I'm your host Prithvi, signing off.